Alright, welcome back to class, friends. Today we're going to be learning how to multiply numbers, 3-digit multiplication by 2-digit multiplier. Okay, now let's get right into it. I hope you're excited to learn today. Alright, solution. Number 1, we have 435 times 20. Okay, when multiplying, we have to start from the units. Anything you're doing regarding arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, what you have to do is always start from the unit, the right hand side. 0 times 5 is 0, 0 times 3 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10, write down 0 and carry 1 up here. 2 times 3 is 6, then 6 plus 1 up here is 7, and 2 times 4 is 8. Then we add. And our answer is 8,700. I hope it's easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Number 2, we have 673 times 41. Okay, so start from here. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 6 is 6. Then we'll move to the next number. 4 times 3 is 12. Write down the 2 and carry 1. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 1 is 29. Write down 9 and carry 2. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 2, that's 26. So write down 26 here and then we'll add the numbers. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 6 plus 1 is 7. And we bring down 2. So that gives us for 593. Okay? Then question 3. We have 802 times 13. So we have 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 8 is 24. 1 times 2 is 2. You can see when I'm starting from the second number, I do not start writing the answer from here. I start directly from under the number I'm multiplying with, okay? Which is the multiplier. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 8 is 8. 6 plus nothing is 6, 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 0 is 4, and 8 plus 2 is 10. And that gives us 10,426. Question 4. We have 511 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. And 8 times 5 is 40. And that gives us 4,088. Moving on to question 5. Question 5, we have 724 times 12. Okay, 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 7 is 7. Then we add all together. 8 plus nothing is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 7 is 8, and that gives us 8,688. I hope this helps you to solve questions regarding multiplication. Okay, remember I've done subtraction of borrowing from here with addition with carrying. Whenever you have numbers that is above 9, you always carry number to the next number like you did here. Okay, carry to the next number and add it after multiplying. It's very easy. Just follow this system and you get your answers right. Alright, if you've watched to the end of this video, Please do well to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Alright? Do well and have a wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.